Hello everyone. Now in this particular video we are going to see how actually we can merge two column. So suppose I have this first name and the last name. These two column I want to merge. So select both the column. Once you select both the column, right, you will get one option merge column. First you select, then you right click. You can see merge column one option is coming. Now based on what actually you want to merge these two columns. So suppose I want to merge based on the comma. So I'll select that, and what is the new column you want to have. So this is the new column, merge new column, which is going to create. Click on the OK. Now once you'll click on the merge, right, so you can see based on the comma, the first name and the last name actually it got merged, which is coming in mind like this. All the operation we can do in the Power BI desktop also with the help of the DEX formula. Then why we are using a Power Query editor? So you have to remember the best practice is like, first you should clean a data with the help of the Power Query editor. We should transform your data before coming to the visualization, because once you have created a visualization and on top of that if you are writing a DEX formula, in that case what will happen, whenever you this visualization, right, on top of this visualization every time that DEX formula will be applied, and that will consume more space and it will take more time, and one time your the dashboard will be slow, because every time for the refreshing, for extract, right, every time it will take more time. So the best practice you always have to remember, first you transform your data with the help of the Power Query. Once you clean the data, on top of that you create a visualization. That is the best practice that you have to remember.